Well, hi, I'm Carl and welcome to Adventures in Camping. Today we're going to pick up where we left off on compass and land navigation. Oh, subscribe, hit the bell icon so you know when I put out a new video, and let's get to it. Now I understand for many of you this is pretty simple, pretty rudimentary, but there's a lot of people out there who don't know. And remember, I teach kids that are between 8 and 11 years old. So I'm trying to put this at their level. If this is too boring, just give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and just go on about your business and feel happy about yourself. What I have here is, this is a map for a trail. As you can see, the Woronoy Trail. There are several trails here, and they are kind enough to give you a map. However, you can't take this map completely at its word. I'll tell you why. You need to orient your map. Now, this map, if you take it for its word, will get you lost, because it's showing north is that way. Okay? This map is actually upside down. To orient this map to north, it actually needs to be that direction. North is there, towards the camera, towards you. You're north, looking at me in the south. So if you look at this and say, oh, that's north, uh-oh, you're going to get confused. And I have met a lot of people on this trail that have gotten confused for that very reason. And that's why when you go on a trail like this, especially if you've never been on the trail, you need to take a compass, because I can confirm with my compass where north is and orient my map. This map that they provide in the little box right there at the bottom lower corner indicates where north is. So if you have a compass, it's okay. All you have to do is orient your map. In our case, we need to turn it around like so, so it actually points to where the highway is, which is behind me. Now I have aligned the straight edge on the compass with the straight line on the map, which appears to be in line with the marking that they have given us at the bottom of the map. Yes, it is now upside down. However, if you look, the upside down P at what is now the bottom of the map, also next to the restrooms, and with a little blue icon indicating information that indicates that that is a map. Those are scattered throughout the park, and they are also upside down. Now that we've figured out which way to actually go without getting lost, well, what do? Well, we follow the trail. But which trail is what? That's where the next thing comes in handy. It's called a blaze. That is called a blaze. If you look at the map has different colors indicating what trail you're on. So what you need to do is familiarize yourself with the different colors that are on the map. So your blazes, or your blazes, yeah, whatever you want to call it, are going to help you know that you're on the trail. Of course, this is a pretty well-used trail, so it should be pretty obvious where you need to go. But there may be areas that are further back in the trail where no one's went for weeks and leaves have fallen and covered up the trail, and it's difficult to tell. So the blaze will help you figure that out. What else is on this map? They're showing you the different trails, and then your elevation lines. Remember, we have discussed that before. Okay, and other indicators, the stream that goes through this trail. So this has a lot of good information. So keep that in mind Always pick up a trail map if you're unfamiliar with a trail. Now, if you know a trail like the back of your hand, you're probably fine. The other thing to think about is this trail is limited. It doesn't go on for miles and miles and miles to get lost on. So here we are at another one of the maps that's on the trail. Well, let's look at it. I'm afraid I knew it was going to be this way. It is upside down too. So I have an answer for that. Now, I'll be honest with you. I did put it back the way it came because I figured the Parks and Recreation would have a hissy fit if they found it that way. I feel better though. So now I have pulled out the map and I have pulled out the compass. I have lined the compass up with the map, and now I am getting it lined up to north. Once I have done that, I have achieved northage. No, I have achieved map orientation. So now when I look, I can tell where I'm going and how to get back. So, fair warning, the next video I'm going to be teaching how to use and read a road map. Why? Because there are a lot of people out there who don't have a clue, and all they ever do is use their phone to tell them where to go. Well, I mean, if you like being told where to go, I'm sure that there are plenty of people that would love to do that. Anyway, if you get in an area where you don't have service, or your phone is dead, you need to know how to make your way back to where you're going. Well, I'm Carl. Thanks for watching. Hit the bell icon so you know when I put out a new video, and subscribe. Y'all come back now, you hear? Check out this video that I'm posting for you, and again, subscribe. Also, the other video has been randomly generated for your viewing pleasure. We can only hope. See y'all next time.